Madam Pekle Africa is right here in the kitchen. Guess what? It's ogbono soup again. It's one of my best soup. But this time around, okpehe all the way from Otukpa is inside. Eche, every day inside. All thanks to my sweet mom. Mommy Franca Pekle, this soup is special. How I wish you can just perceive the aroma of this soup. It's too special. Oh my gosh. Don't mind. Almost everything inside this soup is from Momsi. The oil, the okpehe, the every day inside. Oh, mommy, I thank you. Alright. The only thing that is remaining for me to put inside this soup right now is okra. I like putting okra in my ogbono soup, so I'm adding the okra right away. Yeah. I'm turning it. Now that I've added okra, every is inside. Come and taste it. Richard. Dry fish, cow tea, every. So sweet. So I'll just give it 2 minutes for the okra to steam. But while this okra is steaming, I carry plates. Come in. Hey, I call your voice is in this video. So when I'm shouting Banana Highland, I'm shouting it for a reason. It's not just you buying land and then building your house and then living inside. Of course not, because there are a lot of other people that are living in their own houses already. But I'm telling you to invest into buying of lands and other properties because it's a good investment. Are you getting me? Yes. Instead of keeping that huge money in the bank, it's better you use it to buy land, because in the next 6 months and in the next 1 year, that land will not be the same price the way it used to be. That's why you need to call Madam Pekle Africa so that we can discuss, not just in Port-Harcourt, all right? Pekle Africa Real Estate Consultancy covers both Port-Harcourt, Abuja, and Lagos. So right now we have land along the Ring Road area, okay, in Port-Harcourt, and then we also have land at New Banana Highland that we are currently selling for 7 million naira for one plot. Okay, we have already finished buildings as well in luxurious home for you here in Port-Harcourt. Okay, so all you need to do is to call Madam Pekle Africa on 090342965119. A property in less than 1 year that has increased over 50% is a good investment. That's why you must call me now on 090342965119 to get your own plot of Banana Highland. This ogbono soup is ready. Yes, you know the okra don't need to be very soft. Let me carry plate and put the soup so that we can test it together. I'm coming. Okay, so right now I'm going to put snow so that I will test. Yeah. Okay, our soup is ready. Can you see it? Can you see our soup? See, smoke is coming out of it. Very beautiful. This cow tail and cow tongue. Have you used cow tongue to cook ogbono soup before? If you haven't done that, try it. You'll love it. It's very sweet, but make sure you wash it very well and peel out the skin on top of the tongue with warm water and salt. So take a look. You can see, use your eba, ona, tuwo, gari, akbulo, iloi, fufu, everything. Use and swallow. I just say make you see the face. See hype. See ya. See ya. See ya. Are you seeing the soup? Very delicious soup. Smoke is coming out of it. Let's test the meat. Very hot. Very sweet too. I would like to cool down. I'll arrange it and put it in the fridge. Let's go back. I'll put on the fire. I'll put it in the fridge. We're not eating now. Ready? Come on, babe. Soup is ready.
Deep down inside my kidney.
Come on, taste.
Okay. Hot.
Small.
Papa Uncle. Uncle.
Is this sweet? Very sweet.
No, baby, do you. No, be me. Do you. Go and mark.
Very sweet. True. Do you even go and bite your tongue without knowing? Don't forget the most important message here. For you to call me on 0903429651. Madam Pekle Africa, they wait for you.